Hi, I'm Laura, and I've been working at a small restaurant in Chicago for about 8 months now. At first, I didn't know what to expect. I had never worked in the food industry before, and honestly, I had underestimated how fast-paced and demanding it could be. If I had known how stressful it was going to be during rush hour, I might have prepared myself better. I usually take orders, help in the kitchen, and sometimes serve tables. My manager is super kind but very detail-oriented. One time I got an order wrong and he was really disappointed, and I totally understood. He had already explained how important accuracy is with special dietary requests. Working at the restaurant has helped me a lot. If I worked in a quiet office, I wouldn't learn to multitask under pressure. And if I hadn't taken this job, I wouldn't have improved my English so quickly. Talking to customers and coworkers every day has really pushed me out of my comfort zone. I've also had to step up when the place gets busy. Last Friday, 2 waiters called in sick, and I had to cover extra tables. It was chaotic, but I managed. If I had refused to help, I would have missed the chance to show I can handle pressure. Now I feel stronger and more adaptable. I know that if I keep working hard, I might become a team leader someday. And honestly, if someone asked me today whether they should take a restaurant job, I'd say yes, but only if they're ready to work fast, stay calm, and keep learning.